Welcome to the WSO2 integration tutorial. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building powerful solutions using WSO2 integration. Let's dive in and explore the steps involved. Step 1. Introduction to WSO2 integration. Gain an understanding of what WSO2 integration is and how it can help you seamlessly connect and integrate various systems, applications, and services. Step 2. Installing WSO2 integration platform. Learn how to download and install the WSO2 integration platform on your local machine or server. We'll walk you through the installation process, including any prerequisites. Step 3. Getting familiar with WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI. Explore the core component of WSO2 integration, WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI. Understand its capabilities, features, and how it enables the creation of integration solutions. Step 4. Creating your first integration project. Start building your integration solution by creating your first project in WSO2 EI. Learn how to define the integration flow, handle messages, and configure endpoints using the Visual Editor or XML configuration. Step 5. Implementing integration patterns. Discover various integration patterns supported by WSO2 EI. Master the implementation of common patterns like content-based routing, message transformation, and error handling to enhance the functionality of your integration solutions. Step 6. API Management with WSO2 API Manager. Unlock the power of API management with WSO2 API Manager. Learn how to design, publish, secure, and manage APIs effectively. Explore features like rate limiting, authentication, and analytics. Step 7. Data Integration and Transformation. Dive into data integration and transformation using WSO2 EI. Understand how to connect to different data sources, perform data mapping, and leverage mediation capabilities to transform data between systems. Step 8. Security and Governance in WSO2 integration. Ensure the security and governance of your integration solutions. Explore features like identity and access management, encryption, and policy enforcement to protect your systems and data. Step 9. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Learn how to monitor and troubleshoot your integration solutions using the monitoring and analytics capabilities of WSO2 integration. Gain insights into performance monitoring, logging, and handling errors. Step 10. Advanced Topics and Best Practices. Take your skills to the next level by exploring advanced topics and best practices in WSO2 integration. Discover tips for performance optimization, scalability, and handling complex integration scenarios. By following this step-by-step tutorial, you'll become proficient in building powerful solutions with WSO2 integration. Each step will provide hands-on guidance, code examples, and best practices to ensure you have a solid foundation in using WSO2 integration effectively. Let's embark on this exciting journey of mastering WSO2 integration together.